The winning streak. Let me fix my camera really fast. Sorry. The winning streak is officially over. 5 winning trading days in a row. Has never happened to me on live. Amazing week. We lost on Friday. Let's talk about what happened. Same setup as usual. Check the 4-hour on both. Let's check it. As you can see, we are going into the day bearish, bullish, and on the hourly, bearish. Okay. So we could have continuation trades. Or if we sweep liquidity out, we can go for those as well. Okay, going into the day, either way, this is a trade that I would usually take, especially because we're pretty far away from any main drawn liquidity here. This is a day that I would take a trade I would take every single day without fail. So what happened? Okay, I could have taken it on either or. I took it on S&P because I didn't want to go for a 500 tick trade and shoot for a 1600 tick take profit. These are kind of too far. This was the best risk reward for me. 100 tick, 133 tick, a little bit over a 1-to-1. This was probably the best I can go for. As you can see, we swept out these highs right here. Pre-market, market open. We closed below this fair value gap, and I could have entered a 5-minute candle later if I wanted to, if we wanted to consider this as the break of structure, which it was. I just wanted to enter off of the fair value gap because a 100 tick trade is already big enough. I don't need it any bigger, right? I need to catch this momentum as soon as possible because the longer I wait, the less movement I'm going to most likely be able to get. Okay, so come up, sweep 5-minute highs like this, drop down, get a 5-minute fair value gap, and if go to a liquidity of 1-to-1, this is a textbook trade that I usually see, and the day was a loss, and that's okay. That's not that deep. It's not that big of a deal. Things happen, right? Those things, it's not like it doesn't happen at all, you know? Sorry, let me just log in really fast. I think I lost somewhere between like 1,700, something like that on the day. Which, I mean, even still, this month has been an amazing month for me so far. It's 2 weeks in. I am perfectly okay with this month being, or with me losing, right? Regardless, I follow my plan, I follow my rules. You know, what more can you ask for, really? There's really not much else can you ask for. Okay, it's not connecting. Whatever, regardless, it doesn't change the fact. I'll just have to connect it when I get in. Again, this was a 10K week for me. Insane to say. 10K week, 4 wins out of the week, 1 loss. My loss was smaller than all of my wins. $1,700 loss. I risked a little heavier because of how big the trade got very quickly. Can we go to the minute chart so you can kind of see how fast it started moving? Yeah, just drop, you know. Yeah. Didn't know how fast it was gonna drop, to be honest. So perfectly fine with me though. I think I just like 400, which is usually my plan. I think I risked a little above 400, which is okay. I mean, it was either risking 400 or like 250, which is not in my range. So either way, I mean, this is still 77% day win percentage, which should be the same thing here, but it's not, so it's whatever. Not that big of a deal. But yeah, cannot complain at all. An amazing loss. See, 429 each on all the accounts. Okay, not that big of a deal. Even if I lose the next 3 trades in a row, I will still be up from the account because of this. Perfectly okay. Not a problem. I'm just going to keep following my rules, keep following my plan, just like I have been, and in the end, I will succeed. There's no reason why I should not. But hey, all time will show results once you put in the correct work. So, can't get mad. Keep doing our thing. I love and appreciate y'all. I'm going to talk to you guys later. Deuces.